lines on cow. A cow is a farm animal. It has 4 legs. It lives in a shed. It gives birth to young ones. Its young one is known as a calf. It has horns. It gives us milk. We also get meat from it. It eats only grass and plants. It has flat teeth.